Chantal Mitchell once said, "Studying abroad is the most effective way of changing how we view the world." Studying abroad has the potential to bring about significant changes and personal growth. Here is a step-by-step guide on the entire study abroad process. Number 1. Course and university selection. Selecting the right course and university for your study abroad journey is crucial to ensure a fulfilling and academically rewarding experience. The right way to finalize the course and university is to keep the following factors in mind: your academic background, long-term goals, financial planning, university rankings, and job prospects. Number 2. SOP, LOR, and resume. Once you've finalized the course and university, it's time to collect your documents and prepare a strong SOP and LORs that will help you stand out from the others. An effective resume helps the admissions committee gain a holistic understanding of your qualifications, achievements, and potential as a candidate. Number 3. Offer letters, scholarships, and interviews. After putting in your applications, it takes about 2 to 4 weeks for the university to issue an offer letter. You can look at various scholarship options, apply for external scholarships, and sit for interviews. Number 4. Financial planning. At this stage, you should have a clear idea about how you will finance your education. If you've received specific financial grants, you will need to arrange the remaining amount by applying for an education loan. This is also the time when you should start accumulating funds in your bank account to demonstrate 1 year's worth of tuition fees and living expenses. Number 5. Visa interview. Each country follows a unique visa process, which may include an interview and varying processing times. Therefore, after securing the necessary funds, the next step is to prepare for the visa interview. This involves familiarizing yourself with the specific requirements of the country you plan to study in and completing the necessary documentation promptly. Number 6. Pre-departure. Pre-departure involves making travel and accommodation arrangements and also ensuring you have appropriate health insurance coverage for the duration of your stay abroad. And that's it, folks. If you're still somewhat confused, reach out to us at the toll-free number mentioned above, and our expert counselors will be happy to assist you. For more useful information, subscribe to Leverage Edu. Thank you for watching.